Hi folks, today I want to show you how to clean kitchen hood exhaust filter. It's pretty simple steps. Just we need to take it out. Listen, like this. Just press here and it's come out easily. Then put in a dishwasher with other utensils. Power button. It will take 3 hours 16 minutes and let it go. So when it's finished, take it out and the same way we can put it back. These two pins just go over there, this slot. Match with this. It's pressed and this one will lock. Oh. My mistake. Yes. Now another one, go like this. Same method. Put in a slot this two pin and push it up.